In this video, I'm going to teach you how to change the cover art on your Spotify local files. It's a very quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along. As you can see, I have two songs on my music folder that don't have a cover art on my local files playlist within Spotify. All I need to do to add a cover art to these songs is use this simple to use tool called Tag Scanner. So go to xdlab.ru or search for Tag Scanner on Google. Download this tool and afterwards go into Google and search for a cover art you want to use on your songs. You can download any cover art you find as long as it's in the right format. When you open up Tag Scanner, you should see this window. From here, click the folder icon at the top left corner of the screen with the plus sign. As you can see, I went ahead and selected the folder, and now I can see both of the songs over here. All I have to do is click on any song that I want to add a cover art for, and at the right side of the screen you can see the embedded covers option. Just click this and it will bring you the file browser. Now you can just find a cover art you want to add and select it. So for example, I want to add this cover art, so I just go into my downloads and open it up, and now click save. I can also do the same for the other song with any other cover art I want to use. When you save a cover art onto a song, you can see this little colored icon at the left side of the song name. Now, if I open up Spotify and reload my library containing my local files, I can now see the cover art on the songs. I hope I was able to help you on how to change cover art on Spotify local files. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.